How to forward messages in Messenger. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can forward messages in Messenger. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First of all, open the Messenger application on your device. Now go to the message you want to forward. Just open the chat. From this chat section, you will find all the chats right here. Open one chat. Okay, let me open this one. Now let's say you want to forward this message right here. Just long press on the message and you will see this more option right here. Tap on it. Tap on more and you will see forward option right here. Tap on forward and forward to the friends from here. You can just tap on send and that message will be forwarded to that friend. Okay, if you don't want to do that, you can also simply long press it and tap on this copy right here and paste it to whom you want to send. Like this, paste it right here. In this way you can forward or copy and paste the message you want to send to the person. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.